Sukla. So today we are going to run our first program in PHP. So our first code is hello world. So look here, example. Here I'm using HTML code, and here we are printing our message hello world. Okay, we are also every code you need to add within a body tag. Always just remember. Okay, so now I'm going to run one first program. So I have created one folder PHP. I just given with a PHP folder one file PHP hello.php. So now I'm going to run, just look at title hello hello world, and within a body tag I'm just going to start PHP syntax. We can use PHP syntax like this one, PHP, and here I'm going to write echo hello world. So now I'm going to run our first program. This is our port and file name is PHP and folder name PHP and file name is hello.php. Look here, our first program hello world running successfully. And also if we don't want to write HTML code, we can also run these things. Only start, we need to always start the PHP syntax and close, and within a PHP syntax we need to write echo syntax, and this is a hello world. Now check, it's working fine. So hope so you understand. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share.